What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a VST or plugin that you guys can use to get the log drums if you use a Logic Pro X or if you use a MacBook. There's this misconception that log drums only come from FL Studio DX10 VST plugin, but it's actually not so 100% true, because if you go to FL Studio's website, right, FL Studio says the DX10 is a 8-voice polyphonic FM synth, blah 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 blah. But at the end, it says this plugin is an enhanced version of Paul Killet's DX10 FM synth. So the log drum is just a preset in the DX10 synthesizer. You can also get the hardware DX10, and you're gonna see this log drum preset inside. But you don't really have to buy the hardware. If you get this plugin, you can also get the VS inside. If you get this plugin, you can get the log drum presets inside. So but this plugin is called the first one I want to show you guys is called log drum. It's from Producer Sources. I bought this plugin, I think it was like $20 or so. So if you go to the website and you search for log drum, I bought it on sale when it was, I think, for $20. Yeah. So you see, it's still on sale for $20. If you guys want to buy it, I'll leave a link in the description. $20, guys. I even reached out to Timmy Dre. He makes a lot of Amapiano beats, and I was like, "Yo, how do you get log drums on your, Amapiano beats?" And it was like he uses this VST log drum. Sounds like this. If you guys are curious what it sounds like, the quality might not sound so good because I'm actually recording my MacBook on my Windows computer, so I'm sending my audio via my HDMI. So sorry for the bad quality, guys. But you guys can check out this VST. It has different presets you can pick from. Not just a lot of log drums you can pick from here. Not even just log drums. It has some bass VSTs you can bass presets you can pick from here. Like I said, if you get this VST, if you have Arturia Analog Lab, you don't have to get this plugin. You just have to tweak it. The only good thing about getting that log drum VST is that you have a lot of presets you can tweak from. But if you just get the basic Arturia and you get this preset called the log drum, it sounds like this too. But you can tweak it to get that Amapiano sound you guys like. You can mess around with these knobs just to get the sound that you want, because that's basically what you do with the FL Studio DX10 plugin. People tweak the whole knobs to get different sounds, then they add more effects to make it knock. But yeah, guys, I saw this video on XDizzle's channel. Shout out to XDizzle, that somebody was asking him to make Amapiano tutorials, but he doesn't want to go into that because he can't get log drums on Logic Pro X. And now you can, guys. You can. If you guys love Amapiano, don't run away from Logic, because there's the presets, there's the plugin that you guys can use. Yeah, this is a very short video. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a comment if you watched the video up to this part, and see you guys in the next one.